Today, I'll walk you through what row-level security, or RLS, is and how to implement it in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up RLS so you can ensure that users only see the data they're authorized to access. Let's dive right in. First, open Power BI on your computer. This is where all the magic happens. RLS is a powerful feature that restricts data access for specific users at the data row level. Think of it like a security guard at a club, only allowing certain guests into specific areas based on their credentials. Now to set up RLS, navigate to the modeling ribbon at the top of the screen. This is where you can manage your data model settings. Once you're there, click on Manage Roles. This is your gateway to defining who can see what data. Next, you'll want to create a new role. Click on the plus new button. It's important to give your role a meaningful name based on the restrictions you want to apply. For this example, I'll add restrictions by state, so I'll name it State Restriction. Now click on the data name under Tables. This is where you'll define the rules for your new role. After that, click on plus new under Rules. This is where you'll specify the conditions for your role. In the drop-down menu for the column, choose the restriction base. For instance, if you're restricting access by state, select the relevant column. Leave the condition set to equal. This means that the data will be filtered based on an exact match. For the value, type in the restriction base value. In my case, I'll enter the name of the state that I want to restrict access to. Once you've entered this information, click Save to apply your changes. Now that you've set up your role, it's time to test it. Click on View as beside Manage Roles. This feature allows you to see what the data looks like for the role you just created. Choose the RLS that you created and check if it filters the data as expected. This is a crucial step to ensure everything is working correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully implemented row-level security in Power BI. Remember, RLS is essential for maintaining data privacy and security, especially in environments where sensitive information is handled. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.